In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add item specifics on eBay. Item specifics are the structured details like brand, size, color, and type that help buyers find exactly what they want. When you fill them out thoroughly, your listing is more likely to appear in search results and in filtered views, and shoppers can make faster, more confident decisions. If you're creating a new listing, start by going to Sell and selecting Create Listing. You can also reopen a draft if you've already started one. First, choose the most accurate category for your item. This is important because the item specifics you'll see are based on the category, and the right category surfaces the most relevant fields for that product type. Now scroll down the listing form until you find the Item Specifics section. You'll see labeled fields such as brand, size, color, and others that vary by category. Click a field and either select an option from the drop-down or type your own value when a custom entry is allowed. Some fields are required. Look for an asterisk. You'll need to complete those before you can publish your listing. You can usually click Add More Specifics to reveal additional optional fields for extra detail. The more you complete, the better your item shows up in filtered searches and the more trust you build with buyers. Aim for clear, standard terms that match what buyers search for. Use consistent formats for sizes, stick to common color names, and ensure your specifics line up with your title, photos, and description. If a drop-down suggests a standardized value, choose it to help your listing match buyer filters. Don't leave fields blank if you have the information, and avoid adding extra commentary inside these fields. Keep them factual and concise. To edit item specifics on an existing listing, go to Seller Hub, open the Listings tab, and select Active. You can also access Active from My eBay. Find the listing you want to update and click Edit. In the Edit form, scroll to the Item Specifics section and enter or update the values just like when creating a listing. When you're finished, save your changes by selecting Revise or Save, depending on the page you're using. Some categories require certain specifics before a listing will update or remain active. If anything is missing, you'll see prompts for required fields. Complete those right away so your listing stays visible. That's all there is to it. Choose the correct category, complete the item specifics thoroughly, and keep them updated as needed. Accurate specifics help buyers find your item and feel confident clicking buy.